I'm Danny. Welcome to the 30 Days to Success journey. This is our world. We're going to be talking about three areas: financial, spiritual, physical. What changes do you need to be making for your life? The Bluebird team has some free suggestions for you. Can you relate to any or all of these? Let's take Sally. Sally's sick, but she's also a working mom. Job and family have to be taken care of. Or Claude. Claude has a good job. Somehow the ends never meet, and Claude always seems to be broke. Let's look at Rick and Jay, young adults with questions about life, about where they're headed. The Bluebird has represented happiness for many generations. What is that one thing that could improve your happiness level? The Bluebird team, life, liberty, both support the pursuit of happiness. If you're a young adult, or maybe not so young anymore, the Bluebird team has a place for you. The Bluebird team says, make the choice to take the challenge, to make the change for your life and for others. Join the Bluebird team. We have free suggestions for you. Simply go to mybluebirdteam.com or email us wecan1836@gmail.com, or you can give us a call. We're waiting to hear from you. Make any suggestions or ask any questions you want.